IBPS Institute of Banking Personnel Recruitment for Probationary Officers or Management Trainee for the year of 2022 to 23. In this video we will see details regarding who are eligible to apply and what is the last date and the fee criteria. Participating banks. So the participating banks are 11 banks: Bank of Baroda, Bank of India, Bank of Maharashtra, Canara Bank of Central Bank of India, Indian Bank, Indian Overseas Bank, Punjab National Bank, Punjab and Sindh, UCO, Union Bank of India. So the online registration will start from 20 of October and ends on 10th of November 2021. So the online registration last date is 10th of October or 10th of November 2021. The tentative dates of online preliminary examination is 4/12/2021 to 11/12/2021, and the online main examination will be scheduled to be held on January 2022. An interview in the month of March or February 2022. Eligibility criteria here is any graduate can apply. They should be a citizen of India, Nepal, Bhutan. So this is the criteria. The maximum age criteria for the general category is 30 years, and there is some relaxation for different categories. 5 years relaxation for SC category, ST category, and OBC 3 years relaxation, and PWD 10 years relaxation. Ex-serviceman 5 years relaxation. So this is the eligibility criteria of age criteria. Education qualifications is a degree, that is a graduation, any discipline is required, and the percentage criteria here is 59.99% will not be treated as 60%, so we need not to round off while applying. This is regarding the number of vacancies. We will see in this video what are the 11 banks are participating in this recruitment. The online structure of examination for prelims will be of 1 hour duration, that is 20 minutes each section. English, which will be 20 minutes, and the questions are 30 questions, 30 marks, and aptitude, quantitative aptitude 35 questions, 35 marks. 20 minutes is the scheduled time allotted to quantitative aptitude. 35 questions for reasoning ability, 35 questions, 35 marks, and 20 minutes is the scheduled time allotted to reasoning ability. This is online structure. If you qualify the cutoff, that is if you clear the cutoff in prelims examination, you will be given a chance to take a mains examination, and the structure of mains examination will be this way: 60 minutes for reasoning and computer aptitude, 45 questions, maximum marks of 60 marks, and the time allotted will be 60 minutes, and general economy or banking awareness 40 questions, maximum marks of 40, and time allotted is just 35 minutes. And English language, there will be 35 questions and maximum marks of 40, and medium of exam is English, and time allotted is 40 minutes. And DI, that is data analysis and interpretation, 35 questions, 60 marks, and the time slot is 45 minutes. Total of 3 hours is a time duration for mains examination. Total of 155 questions, and maximum marks are 200 marks. And also there will be essay, letter writing and essay writing. 2 questions will be given, 25 marks, and the time slot is 30 minutes, where you need to type on the screen in the requisite box. So this is regarding the examination structure, and there will be a penalty for every wrong answer you have marked. So marks obtained in the online main examination will only be considered for shortlisting. It is so prelims is just cutoff clearing criteria. Only mains marks are considered for the selection procedure, that is interview. So interview marks will be of 100 marks, and the minimum qualifying marks in the interview will not be less than 40%, and 35% will be for SC/ST. And the weightage of online main examination and interview will be 80:20 ratio. So this is regarding the structure, examination criteria, and also weightage of interview. And the application fees, before that we will need to go to official site of IBPS, and you need to apply. The requisite documents of photograph, signature, left hand thumb impression is needed, and also you need to write in declaration, self-given declaration. You need to upload it, signature, that everything will be in proper documentation format. You need to upload. So the fee criteria for SC/ST PWD candidates is 175 rupees, and for general category, OBC, other category people except SC, ST, PWD, 850 rupees. So this is regarding the application fee criteria and also details of IBPS probationary officers management trainee vacancies. The last date is 10th of November 2021, and the participating banks are 11 banks. So this is regarding number of vacancies. We'll see in this video even the number of participating banks. 11 banks are participating, and there are huge vacancies. Around 4,000 vacancies are there now to apply for this post. So there is a huge competition as well. There will be a prelims, mains, and followed by interview. So the number of vacancies for different banks in SC category 679, and for ST category 350, and for OBC 1002, and for EWS 404 vacancies. For unreserved 1600 vacancies, and total of 4135 vacancies are available, put together all category wise. So this is the greatest opportunity for all those candidates. So this is regarding number of vacancies and the tentative dates and application criteria, and the last date is 10th of November. Thank you. Have a great day.